Hello you guys, welcome to another video. Tonight I'm doing kind of a late night, relaxing power hour, just anything I can get done in an hour. This was kind of later at night, so I'm going to keep the music really relaxing and let's get our house back together one little bit at a time together. So on this particular night, my husband was doing some stuff after work with coworkers. They went golfing and out to dinner. So it was just me and the baby. And I was having to basically do everything that my husband does at night, which is normally bath time. And then he tidies up the bathroom. Plus I had to do all of my own regular cleaning, which is like picking up toys and dishes. So that is what you're seeing in this video. So I'm starting in the bathroom. Basically, I just rinse off all of the toys and then I spray the tub and shower with the Method Daily Shower Cleaner, and I just let it sit for a couple of minutes while I wipe down the counters, put stuff away, lotion, toothbrush, all those things that I needed to use during bath time. And then I go back and I rinse out the tub. I don't really have to do it. It is just a daily shower spray, but I just like to. I don't want that sitting on the toilet or sitting on my son's skin when he's taking a bath. It'd be different if he was showering and it kind of rinsed down the drain, but since he only takes baths because he's 2, I like to rinse it down. And then I just throw all the toys back in because we don't have like a toy organizer or caddy just yet. And that is the daily clean of this bathroom. Nothing crazy. I do scrub the shower and clean everything, do a deep clean once a week, but this is a power hour, so we're just doing the quick daily clean. I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found a dream that I can speak to. I found. Now we're moving on to the playroom. I wanted to pick this up and vacuum and deal with all this clean clothes that I had washed throughout the day but hadn't folded or taken care of it or put it away or anything. So that is what we're going to do. Of course, it's not a deep clean. Like I said, it's just a power hour. So we're going to just pick up all the toys, put them in their respective boxes, and then give this room a good vacuum. I do vacuum every single day in my house because I have a toddler and 2 dogs that go inside and outside all day long. They're in and out. There's always dirt, dog hair, food crumbs, something. So I do end up vacuuming every single day. But if you don't feel like that's necessary for you, then great. More time to do something else with your power hour. That I can speak to. The playroom isn't fully furnished yet, so that's why it might kind of look empty over on this side. We do plan on putting an entertainment center and a TV and everything. We just haven't gotten around to it. We're having to do a lot of stuff for this house, so as long as the playroom is clean and functional and has the toys, to play with, it's pretty much fine. We're in no rush to finish it off. But yeah, that is why it looks a little bit empty and I haven't decorated the walls or anything yet, but we are getting there, and once it is cute, I will definitely be showing you guys and telling you where we got everything. So now I'm just on to the clothes. I'm just kind of organizing it into piles so I can take it to its respective rooms. I'm not really like folding it in here or anything like that. And once we take it to the rooms that it belongs in, that's when I fold everything and put it where it belongs. Because I feel like, I don't know if it's just me or because my son and my dogs are so crazy and I'm really, really clumsy, but I feel like if I took the time to like fold it in here and then try to take it to the different rooms, either like my son would play with it before I could do that, or I would drop it, or something would happen. So I just never bother with that. I just take it to the room it belongs in and I organize it and put it away when I get there.
I found a dream that I can speak to.
So now I'm just going to bust out the vacuum and give this room a nice thorough vacuum. And I did just want to mention that this is a late night power hour, but it is still bright outside, but that is because of where I live. During the summer, the sun does not set until like 9:30, almost 10 o'clock at night. So it is actually about 8:30, 9 o'clock in this video when I was filming at night, but the sun is still out, okay? But it's just because it's the summer. Trust me, when it's the winter where we live, the sun sets at like 4 p.m. So yeah, it just looks bright outside, but I promise it was late at night. And you can kind of tell because I'm already in a muumuu, my little house dress, and I had this idea to film this video. Like, I really wasn't going to film it because I was already like showered and in my house dress. But then I thought it would be a fun video, and now I'm kind of regretting it. Like, why didn't I just put on some shorts or something? I really look 100 years old, but whatever. As long as it gives y'all some cleaning motivation, I guess it's worth it. But don't expect me to be in muumuus on camera anymore. This is a one-time thing. So then I noticed that my Airwick was empty, so I went ahead and refilled my Airwick air freshener, and then I go ahead and spray down all of the couches and the carpet and the air with some fabric softener that I've diluted in a bunch of water. It's just like the easiest way to DIY a air freshener, and it's the April Fresh from Downy. I absolutely love the way it smells. And then this is where I keep my vacuum and the big toys, just in case you're curious, and all the little toys go in that little Kallax, or rather big Kallax that I got from IKEA. That's that big grid thing that you see with all the different cute boxes in it. That is from IKEA. That's where all the little toys go. And that is the playroom done. So now we are going to move on to this laundry. So I did just put Jax's stuff in his room. He was already sleeping, so I didn't want to go in there and try to fuss with that. I just put it in the corner and I'll deal with it tomorrow. Put it away whenever he's awake and he's not in his room. And now I'm just going to put away me and my husband's clothes, just, you know, like everybody does, folding, putting stuff away, hanging the things that need to be hung. And I guess I'll just go ahead and take this time, if you are new here, to introduce myself. My name is Lauren. I am a wife and a mother. I have my husband, who's named Nathan, my son named Jax. I'm currently pregnant with our second child, and we have two awesome, super cute dogs that we love so much. Their names are Aster and Ruger. I am a stay-at-home wife and mother, and I do make YouTube videos. I actually have two channels. I have this channel that's all about cleaning, mom life, all those kind of good things. And then my other YouTube channel is all about self-care. So I do shower routines, pamper routines. I'll occasionally do makeup routines and stuff like that over there. And I make those YouTube videos because I'm passionate and I love both things, and I love making videos. And thank you so much for watching my videos. It really does make my day when people enjoy my videos, and if I can help motivate you to clean or to do some self-care, that is the best feeling in the world. So thanks again for watching, and I hope that you subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram or TikTok. That'll always be linked down below in the description bar. So now we are on to the kitchen. I kind of wanted to start with my easier rooms first, just to get my mojo going before I tackled this disaster. So the first thing I'm going to do in here is kind of start gathering all the dishes from dinner into the sink area. I'm kind of pre-treating some of them with Dawn Power Wash, and then I'm going to put away leftovers from dinner and start taking all the little toys and knickknacks and things like that to the rooms that they actually belong in. I'm going to spray the island down with some Method antibacterial multi-surface cleaner and wipe that down, and then we are going to move on to washing all of these dishes. So I'm going to be hand washing all of these dishes, and then I just put them in the dishwasher to dry. Our dishwasher is currently broken, so I just use it as a drying rack basically, and I'm going to wash all these dishes from dinner. Luckily, I had been kind of keeping up throughout the day because I was making something new for dinner, like this chicken and noodle dish, and it surprisingly made a ton of dishes. So I do have a lot to catch up on in here, more than I normally do for dinner. I usually keep it pretty easy on myself during the week and try not to make too many dishes for myself, especially since I do have to hand wash them right now. But some days it just gets like that, so we got to tackle all these dishes. I absolutely hate waking up in the morning to dirty dishes and a dirty kitchen, so I got to get this done to kind of keep my sanity. And then I'm going to also scrub out the sink. Sometimes I do like a super deep clean on these, sometimes I don't. Tonight I just wanted to keep it very light and easy, so I'm just using the dish soap and my sponge to scrub everything out and just make sure there's no leftover food or gunk or anything like that. And then I'm going to spray the entire sink down with a half vinegar, half water mixture. So I spray down the outside and kind of wipe it down, and then I just spray the inside of the sink and just leave it, and it helps the sink to have no germs, and it also will get rid of nasty smells, and it dries like streak free and super shiny on stainless steel, so that's always a plus. And then I'm going to just quickly wipe down the stove. I sprayed it with Dawn Power Wash earlier, but it was just greasy and didn't need a ton of scrubbing. So I just wiped it with a paper towel, and then I sprayed it with that vinegar mixture as well and wiped it again completely. And then I just wiped the rest of my counters down with that same method, antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner, and we are done. That is everything I got done in an hour tonight. I hope you guys found this very helpful and motivating. If you did, let me know down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.